guys, today I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure with my dad. So
Hello.
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, and we made a houseboat.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Wait, did I?
Join my team.
Okay.
I'm on the white team. Okay. We're also gonna teach you guys maybe how to glitch.
Yeah, after we do the house, Dad, or maybe before.
Yeah, right now because I already set it up.
Okay.
See, you can just fly away.
Yeah, you just do this and fly away. So yeah, I want to see the maps up above. There's 2 clocks. There's 2 ones. What?
I guess.
That's so weird. Is that the bowling alley?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the
What
same
is that?
thing. That's
oh,
the.
it's more clock? What is that? I've never seen. Oh, yeah, I remember.
Oh yeah, this
that level.
one.
Look at that thing. What is that?
I don't know.
Is
There's
that
so
thing
many
below
ones.
us?
What is that? Oh wait, Dad, go! That's her house.
Wait, that is?
Yeah, that's her house. Don't let them see it. Don't see it,
Oh.
Dad. No.
It's our house. That's so weird. How did we find it?
I don't know.
That was crazy. I didn't know we would find it at the end.
Yeah.
We would have made it to the end, monks, if
Yeah.
we stayed on that boat.
We messed up on a video. Sorry, guys. But yeah. Okay, Dad, respond the boat. And guys, that's how you glitch. Just to let you know to get
But that
free
was
money.
that was cool. I didn't know it was gonna be at the end. You load your part too, monks.
Oh yeah. Okay, you
Load
look
your
for-
part first. I just want to see how much you built. So you
No,
load
Dad.
your part and I'll load my part.
Okay, I'll go here. Okay, I just load mine. That's
So you
what I
built
just...
all that.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, load your...
And then this is
Our house.
my
The house.
part that I built.
Yeah, because I don't have this much blocks. My dad played this game more than me.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I also spend a lot of Robux. I spent like
Yeah.
4,000 Robux.
He spent a
on this
lot
game.
of Robux on this game.
But it's really cool.
Yeah, it really
I
is
think
cool.
it is.
Yeah, for me, I think it's almost the best game in Roblox.
I think it is the best game in Roblox.
Cool.
It's just this is like fun because like you can just build whatever
Yeah.
and you can just literally do anything. It's like Minecraft.
Yeah,
but
so let's first
with-
do a tour.
It's Minecraft, but it's better than Minecraft still.
Yeah.
I think it is. People who like Minecraft are watching this video. Don't dislike this video because of that.
Yeah, I
I
don't know
just
why
think
would
it's
you
better than
dislike.
Minecraft.
I don't know why would
Okay,
you
ready,
dislike.
monks?
Okay, tour the house. Tour the house.
Okay, let's go to the front.
And then this is
Okay,
door.
so right here,
It says home,
home,
and then in here,
pad. So
The
you wet your
living-
feet on the home. You
Yeah.
take off your shoes.
probably poop on your
Right here's
feet.
the living room.
Probably poop on your feet. So yeah, wipe it off. Living room right here. It's stone couch, and you can just rest your feet. You got it right there. And then the bathroom. Lobby. I'm gonna go to the bathroom in a second because I have to really go. So yeah, the bathroom. And then the storage area. Oh my gosh. And
I'm
then
gonna paint it, the walls, so don't launch the boat yet. And give everyone a tour first, months, okay?
yeah, I know. And then backyard. The reason, whoa, what just happened? The reason why we have these bars so we don't fling out. Yeah. And here's our, what is this room called again? Dad. This room?
Throne room.
The room. So you just sit down and rest your feet on that piece of chunky gold. So yeah, and here's the
Yep,
kitchen,
that
my
we
favorite.
earned.
I love this kitchen. It's so nice. Then here's our bedroom. So this is where my dad sleeps. And this is where I sleep. Yeah. Okay. Shut the door. Okay, I have to really go diarrhea now. Oh my god. Oh god, no, I gotta go. Daddy, get out! I have to go diarrhea. I can't close the door. I have to go. almost did not make that. Then this whole house would blow away. Whew.
Moms, are you okay?
Daddy, I'm not. No, diarrhea's everywhere now. Oh my god.
Oh
No.
my god, that's so gross. What happened?
I had diarrhea. It exploded everywhere. Come in here. Oh my gosh. That is diarrhea everywhere.
Oh my god, what?
Oh my gosh, it's leaking from the toilet. Oh my god. Dad, you're stepping in my diarrhea.
Get out! Ah! It's so gross.
Oh my god. Sorry. It's leaking from the... Oh my god. What?
You're leaking! What is happening?
It's leaking from the bathroom. The bathroom's overflowing with diarrhea. Get out of the house. Daddy.
Oh god!
Oh god.
What's happening?
It's turning the whole house brown. Oh my god, it's flooding the bathroom. Oh my god.
It's everywhere.
Oh my god.
You what? How did you do that? You literally destroyed the whole house. Come inside. Look at all this.
Dry diarrhea now. I'm sorry, Dad. Oh god, it's leaking from everywhere. Oh no, it's here. Oh my god.
Stain everything.
Oh my god. No, it's
It turned the
diarrhea.
window brown.
Oh my gosh. Let me see the bathroom. No, go in there. Oh, I need to go puke. Oh. Look at there. Oh my gosh. Don't smell in there, Daddy. It's complete diarrhea.
Moms, your puke is so gross.
Oh my
looking.
gosh. Sorry, Dad.
It leaks through the bricks.
Oh my god. I'm turning the whole house colors. Oh, at least there's no diarrhea in here. There's no diarrhea in here. Oh wait, there is. It's leaking
Now
through.
it's leaking pee.
There's pee!
Everything is turning pea color.
And diarrhea. Go in here! Daddy.
Just sleep. Go to sleep, okay? Moms, you're peeing on the bed. Stop!
I peed. I peed. Sorry,
You're turning everything green.
I peed on the bed.
Oh my god!
Let's get out of the house.
Apocalypse! Ah! Get out!
No, Daddy. Oh, our house is all brown now.
Oh my god, what happened?
Wait, let me see what's happening. Oh god, I need to get out. Oh, Dad, don't go in there. We're gonna die in there. I have to go puke now. Oh god. Oh my god.
It exploded.
Oh, I need to puke.
It's get rid of everything. What are you puking out? Acid?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's the house. Oh, we might have to reset the house because of my diarrhea, my pee, and my throw up. We have to reset the house.
Do you need to go poop again?
Oh yeah.
Maybe
Oh
you
my
should
gosh,
just
my tummy
poop
hurts.
again
Dad,
just
my
to make
daddy,
sure
my tummy
everything
hurts. My tummy
out.
hurts. Daddy, I have to go. I didn't make it.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
The
god.
house is disappearing. What's happening?
Daddy.
Oh,
Oh my god, why are you shooting at me? Oh my god. I have to go diarrhea.
God.
Oh my god. I have to puke again. Okay, let me go back in the house. Daddy, come here. This is what I made. Oh my god.
Oh my.
I
just
have to go.
painted it. Ah! No! Oh god, it's everywhere.
I have to go so bad.
Oh god, it exploded.
Oh my gosh, my forts are that powerful.
I gotta get out of here. Now you're pooping blood.
Oh my god. I'm done. I need to puke. Oh my god. Oh, Dad, we need to reset this house. Oh my god, it's breaking.
Your puke is like acid or something. It's getting rid of everything.
Oh my god, Dad, we need to reset the house.
Whoa, there's so many cannons. What's happening?
Daddy, we need to reset the house. Oh, I have to go pee. Oh, I just peed in the kitchen. Oops. It's leaking from my pants. Oh no, it's everywhere now. Oh no, I didn't make it. No, I'm peeing. I'm peeing on top of the house. I'm peeing. Dad,
I think it's time to reload the house.
Yep, I destroyed this one. Oh god. Oh, I have to go diarrhea.
It's the kitchen. It's all gone.
Oh, Daddy, I have to go diarrhea. I can't hold it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm puking everywhere. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke on this block.
Your poop exploded. Okay, well, let's reload it. You load your part and I'll load my part.
Delete
Mom,
this.
wait, before you load stuff, wash your hands.
Okay, I'll wash my hands.
At least the sink is fine. It didn't change colors or anything. Oh god!
Oops. Look. Well, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. Okay. I'm done going diarrhea, pee, and puke. Oh my god. Look at this house.
What happened? Oh my god. My head is like this.
You're like so confused. Your head's so confused. That's how. Okay, let's reload the house. I destroyed it.
Okay.
Okay. Reload it. And this time I'll try not to go diarrhea. Oh my god, I'm gonna try not to go. Oh, I need to go diarrhea in the toilet. Oh, I need to try to make it now. I have to try to make it. Oh, wait. Oh. I farted. That was a big two. I didn't even go poop. That was a big two. These teats are nice. Okay, I didn't have to go diarrhea. I didn't have to go diarrhea.
We end the video, and we should end the video now, shouldn't we?
No,
Perfect time to.
But Daddy, we haven't launched the boat.
We'll launch the boat one time.
Okay, because it's too late. We have to end the video, but we did.
How about you do the outro now?
Wait, what? Hold on. Can we just... Daddy, hold on. Can we just do this for a second?
Let's just do the outro. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below. The big red juicy subscribe button, please do it down below. And
join our group, please.
Yeah.
It'd be very
I can't even
appreciated.
talk anymore. Like the video down below, and ring that notification bell down below too, next to that juicy red subscribe button. Now it's going to be gray when you hit that subscribe button. And yeah,
Bring post notifications on.
Yep, and I will see you in the next video. And bye-bye.